Hey y'all, welcome back. Today's video we are digging in and decluttering and organizing my messy side of the closet, but just my side. I'm gonna have to let Peter do his side. But before we dig in, I've got something really fun to share with you. Alright y'all, I am so excited to share with you that today's video is partnered with Teddy Blake, and they are giving all of my viewers, an extra 30% off if you use my code TBSarahGentile30, and I will have all the information for you down in the description box, so make sure you go down there and check it out. Teddy Blake makes some of the most beautiful designer handbags I have ever experienced. I am just blown away at the quality and all the detail that has gone into this bag. They are actually made with premium Italian leather, and they are made in Italy, and they're actually made in some of the same Italian factories as some of the other luxurious brands. And you'll be amazed at how many colors, styles, and designs and sizes that they have. It makes it hard just to choose one. Thank you, Teddy Blake, for gifting me this beautiful handbag. Everything about it is perfect, from the detail to the size to the color, and it is the most beautiful shade of green at that. I love everything about it. The awesome thing about this bag is it's great for dressing up or down. So I thought it would be fun, before we dig in and start decluttering and organizing my closet, that we would actually style it together with just a few shots of some different outfits that I had in mind that I thought would look great with it. So let's go ahead and do that before we dig into the closet. Y'all, please excuse my poor modeling skills. I just wanted to see what it looked like with some of these outfits that I had in mind. I just thought it would be really cute. Whenever Teddy Blake had reached out to me, little did they know, whenever they sent me the bag, I had received it just a couple of days before my birthday, so I considered it an early birthday gift. So happy birthday to me. So I was just excited to see what it looked like with some outfits. So y'all bear with me.
And I'll take a picture. I think Hello. Hello. Is it ear? I got the turtle with it. Then I do the fill. Hello. Love this person. Oh no. See my voice.
So here we go. Here goes nothing. Basically, what I'm doing is just pulling everything out of the closet, on my side, obviously. Just all my clothes, and just laying it on the bed, just seeing what I have, and there's no rhyme or reason. I'm just literally pulling everything out. It can be a little overwhelming. You pretty much just have to dig in and just get started and just start doing something. I think the hardest part for me to do anything these days is finding time where I'm not interrupted, and that's very hard whenever you have little ones that need you so much. And here's a prime example of that. Like just now, I had to stop doing my voiceover or recording my voiceover to tend to my baby, my 1-year-old, at 1 o'clock in the morning. Yes, I am editing this video at 1 o'clock in the morning because that is the only time that I may not be interrupted. But as you can see, I still could be interrupted. But you know what? That is mom life. Don't.
What's that, Mama?
That's my
Egg tang? What goes? The Happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday time! Thank you. Happy birthday, Mommy. I signed it.
So these plastic drawers, for as long as I have had them, I've always used them to store my boots in, or shoes that I don't wear everyday or for like special occasion shoes. And for me, this is really the best place to put those types of things. So I'm just putting them in there, back in the drawers nicely. So we have a bag. So here I'm really just sorting through, looking at things, deciding if it's something I'm going to keep or something that's going to go. Are you Cookie Monster?
Hi, I am you.
She found Mommy's footy pajama Cookie Monster outfit. You can go show Daddy?
Daddy, what do you mean? I can get that.
Your brother. Your brother.
Yeah, I can get that.
You're silly.
Cookie Monster girl.
What's your shirt say? Me want cookie? Silly.
I tend to give him way too much credit. Guess I'm a little too empathetic. Don't need to waste my time trying to prove I'm enough for you. I just happen to make it a habit. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Your empty words left me distracted. Guess all this time you were just acting. Rehearsed your lines before you left intentions at the door. Go ahead, accuse me of overreacting. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Baby, I'm fine. I'll be alright, with or without you. Don't waste my time. Feeding me lies, I know you're about to. I don't need to wait no more. I don't even miss you. I'm already out the door. No, it's not an issue. Trust me, baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. You know I'm fine. Living a daydream. Baby, I'm fine. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine.
So here I'm just kind of giving y'all like a quick glance of our progress. I've got all my tanks up on those little hooks, some nicer shirts hanging up, definitely more streamlined than what it was looking like before. So I'm just going to keep hanging up the things that I'm planning on wearing this summer. Okay, y'all, so I'm having to get to a stopping point because it's getting late. We gotta put the kids to bed, but I'm gonna show you what all I've got going on right now and how far we've come and the little bit that I have left to do. So, let me flip you around. All right, so this is what we've got so far. I've got a space, a nice clean space for my ukulele right here. Yes, I do have a ukulele. And I have all these empty hangers. Peter can grab one if he needs one. These are just extra. I've got the same order I showed you earlier. I found my extra little twirly hanger. So this is definitely so much better. Oh, Reese came and put these guys back in here. So this is what we got going on. I got all my shoes organized. Everything's so much better. All right, I've got my new beautiful handbag all sealed up in her nice dust bag. I think that's what you call them. And I figure I'm just gonna put it right here in this empty space right here. That way it's easy to grab. So that's much better, don't y'all think? So this tub is stuff I've got to sort through. I'm going to clean out and see what needs to go, what needs to stay. This is a bag of stuff that I'll be donating. And then there's a silly girl on my bed. Okay, as you can tell, it's definitely not easy filming a video whenever you got little ones around, but I had Daddy here to help me today. All right, anyways, I feel like I'm definitely at a better place than where I was at before. I've got a donation bag. I've got some things set aside that I need to organize later, because you know what reality is? Sometimes you just can't do it all at one time. You have to break it up and, you know, come up with the system and do little bits at a time, and that's just the way it is sometimes. So, but definitely y'all make sure if you are on the market for looking for a beautiful new handbag that is excellent quality, definitely go make sure that you check out Teddy Blake. I will have all of their information linked down below for you, and they'll give you that extra 30% off if you use my code. So y'all check them out, and as always, thank you so much for all of your love and support. Don't forget to leave me a comment and say hello. And until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.